Yo. Yo. Oh, come on. If you stop again, I swear to God. I swear if you stop again. Hey. Here's a Gemmy. I made Santa now. I'm just gonna try and find the button. That's weird. I thought it was here. Where's the button at? Where the heck's the button? Oh, there it is. Oh, here we go. Hello everybody, today what we have to show you is a Gemmy animated Santa toy, or Santa doll. So this is how, wait, what the fuck? Okay, I don't know why this has no battery cover. I don't know how I didn't figure it out till now. Alright, so here's how you put the batteries in. First, you do this, okay? So make sure the battery is right, make sure, like, this is the plus side and this is the minus side. If you look in there, then there's the batteries of where it should face. So let's do that. So the spring right here should be like this, and the battery should be facing this way. The spring, like if you see the spring, then the bottom part is supposed to be attracted to the spring. And that's how battery compartments work. So we're going to continue putting batteries in. Okay, alright. Okay, the last one. Oh, come on. Get in there. Okay, there we go. Now, here's how you play it.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. I'm making a ho, ho, ho. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why.